Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today, I know y'all see it behind me right there, this nasty F30, man. So I'm gonna be bringing you a review on that today. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alright everyone, so this is Steve right here. I don't know if y'all remember him from my last video I did with him when I installed the wireless charging pad into his F30 right here. But today, we're going to be doing this review, man. So Steve, man, let everybody know, man. What's your Instagram? Drop that handle, man.
Oh man, the IG is insane_F30. I'm Steve, obviously you know that. But yeah, this is my F30 right here, N55. The black sheep of the BMW family. I'm here to let y'all know, man, like mine ain't that. So
oh yeah, this thing got some stuff to it. Y'all about to see, man. It's got some stuff to it. So let's go ahead and get to some of the mods. All right, Steve, so let's go ahead and let everybody know what's going on with this F30.
Okay, first of all, what's going on with it, man? We got the 20s. You know, most people, you know, they give me some backlash about it. Everybody kind of used to the 19s.
Okay.
Everybody doing style 437Ms or Apexes and like the 18s and whatnot.
Man, Apexes are so cliche, right?
Hey, they are. But they're dope though. I mean, they remind me of kind of like the E90 series when everybody's getting them 4 stars.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I wanted to be a little different. So I did some 20s, and they're actually a lot lighter than my OEM 19s I had on here.
Okay.
They're forged, XO forged. They're 20x9 in the front, 20x10.5 in the rear.
All right, Steve. So those wheels look dope, man. I mean, I would say like, at first, I was like, he got 20s on it, man. He got rubber bands, but looking at it, man, they don't look that bad, man. Nah. I like the way they look, man. The silver contrasts the blue perfectly, man. So, hey, man, and for y'all to think about 20s in your F30, it is possible, man. So, Steve, I see you got some carbon here. What's going on with this carbon fiber you got?
Oh, man, carbon fiber everything. So, I did the carbon fiber front lip in performance, carbon fiber M3 mirror caps.
Okay.
And, of course, I got the carbon fiber. Gotta go to the back, man. Gotta go to the back.
All right, let's go. Let's go
to the back.
So you got the side skirts?
Yeah, I got the side skirts, the carbon fiber side skirts right here. The In Performance decal on the side. Carbon fiber side skirts. Also, I got the carbon fiber In Performance rear diffuser.
Okay.
Sorry, the bottom. Carbon fiber rear spoiler, In Performance rear spoiler. That's about it, man. I mean, of course, you know I got the gloss black grill. Man, I missed that. Let me get back over here.
Yeah,
my bad, bro. My bad.
No, we good.
My bad.
We keeping it real out here.
Keeping it real, man. Let me get back over here. I keep on messing with James, man. I got the gloss black, you know, of course, the gloss black sport grill. So that's about it, man. So everything carbon fiber, gloss black grill. That's about it.
All right, Steve. So I see this car got a nice little stance on it, man. So what's going on with the suspension work? What's going on underneath there?
Y'all see, it looks good, don't it?
Yeah, it looks good.
Not only does it look good, man, it's functional also, man. So just to give you the breakdown on it, so I'm sitting on Coney Yellows for the shocks. Then also for the springs, I got H&R Super Sports.
Okay.
And then I have front and rear AFE stabilizer bars.
Okay.
And I also have M3 control arms, man, in the front. So like I said, not only is it beautiful, but also it's functional, man. You got to have that form and faction together, man. You have to.
Yeah, man. Well, it definitely looks good, man. I hope my pictures and videos doing it justice, but it's sitting right.
I tell you, you better do me some justice now, James. You better do me some justice.
Oh man, y'all hear him, man. All right, everyone. So Steve's about to pop the hood. So this is the moment everybody's been waiting for.
So y'all some goodies, man.
This is not a regular F30. If y'all was thinking it may look a little regular, but it is not a regular F30, man.
Nah, it's not, man. It's not by any means, man. So look like a stock F30 engine bay, of course. You know, that's what it is. You know, I got the AFE. You know, intake, quarter intake. That's about it, man. But I have some things underneath this intake and underneath this engine cover.
Man, you talking about that's it? I know that ain't it. Come on now.
That is it, bro. I'm just that's it. But nah, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But I got Fuel It PI Platinum kit.
Okay.
So fuel it port injection, upgraded low pressure fuel pump, pure stage 2. Yeah, you already know.
Okay.
So pure stage 2. Go fast bits on diverter valve.
Okay.
Of course, it's full bolt on in the coolant, downpipe, and all that. So yeah, man. So yeah, she's a monster. She's a monster.
Yeah. I'm not even going to expose how much power he putting down, but just know, if you see him on the streets, you better come prepared, man. I ain't gonna put him out there.
Man.
I ain't gonna put him out there like that.
Put me out there, man. Put me out there.
Well, you tell him. I ain't gonna tell him.
Okay, I'll tell him. I'll be real with y'all, man. You know it's an N55, so it ain't pushing out too much. It's only 300 horsepower and 300 tools. That's it. That's it, man.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Exactly what the brochure says, man. That's what I got. That's it.
Man, y'all, man, look. Y'all know daggone well. All the mods he just listed, he putting out way more power than that. But it's all good, man. I mean, it looks like it could be stock.
Bro, I'm just telling all the mods, man, it only gave me 10 horsepower. That's it. So I lied, man. So I'm at 310.
And then the 20 slowing you down.
Yeah. The 20 slowing me down because, you know, everybody say they heavy, but even though they're Fords. So,
okay. Okay. I just want y'all to see my face right now.
Don't even do me like that, Johnny.
Yeah, but it's all good, man. It's all good, man. Yeah, man. But real talk, man. The car is sick, man. Y'all can see the engine bay right here. It does make you look like, oh, he ain't got a whole lot going on.
Yeah, it does.
You know, but that's that stealth look, man. You kind of want that stealth look, man.
You got to go for that.
Yeah, man. So ain't nothing wrong with that, man. All right, Steve. So I know you talked about the bolt-ons and actually stuff we can see. What is going on with the engine management? What's going on with that tune?
Okay, with the tune, we're working with boot mod.
Okay.
So boot mod did not have JB4 controlling my port injection. Okay. So boot mod back end flash. Right now I'm on the 93 tune. Typically I run a custom E85 map, and you don't want that map. You don't want that.
See, and he's talking about he got 300 horse. Now you custom.
Man,
see, here we go. Here we go.
Hey, did I say E85? I didn't say that.
See,
no,
man.
I didn't say that.
It's all good.
I said I hope to have this car until I'm 85.
Oh,
that's what I said. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I said, man. My bad, man.
You know, when sometimes you get in front of the camera, you make mistakes. It's all good.
You do.
Hey, man, it's all good. So, Steve, is there anything else about the car that's unique? Anything else?
The exhaust.
Okay.
The exhaust is a CG Racing. We need to go to the back, man. You got to.
Okay. Let's do that.
They want me to close the engine or whatnot?
Yeah, you can leave it open. It need to breathe. It need to breathe a little bit.
So we got something special for y'all in a little bit, man. We got something special.
Okay. So what's going on with this exhaust out here?
Well, this exhaust, man, it's CG Racing Valvetronic exhaust.
Okay. So, I never heard of them.
Yeah, they're kind of a small company, man. But they make very, very, very high quality products, man. You guys, y'all can check it out. Just check it out. It's CG Racing exhaust. But it's Valvetronic, so I got 2 remotes. One for sport, and then what's called race mode. One for race mode, and then the other button is just to make it quiet, so I'm like stealth riding through. You can't hear anything. But yeah, it's dope. It's real dope, man. So,
yeah, man. So let's go ahead and hear that thing then. Since it's so dope, let's hear it.
Y'all want to hear it?
Yeah, we want to hear it.
I don't think so. You sure?
We want to hear it, bro.
Okay.
Come on now.
Say less. Say less, man.
Okay. Yep. All right. Now you can put it in sport. All right, so y'all just heard that, man. Hey, man, what that thing mean, man? What you got that thing sounding like that for?
I mean, I kind of just want to scare the birds when I'm driving through, man. That's about it, man. That's about it. I mean, nothing more, nothing less, man. Like I said, man, she's not that fast, or at least didn't make it sound like it's fast.
Oh, so, man, come on.
That's about it, man.
Hey, man, that thing sound mean, man. Them verbals hit hard, man. I hope my camera did that justice, man. Y'all, the thing is loud. Like, when he hit it, I felt the whoosh. Like, it hit me in the chest.
Y'all don't believe what James telling y'all, man. It's actually pretty quiet, man. Don't let him get to y'all, man. It's quiet. It's quiet.
Man, y'all heard it. I ain't gotta say nothing. Y'all heard it. All right, Steve. So we're gonna, I guess right now we're gonna go ahead and go for a little drive and see. Okay. I'm gonna see what this thing really feel like myself.
That's cool. That's cool.
All right, y'all. So just inside the car right now, and this thing sounds good. I hope y'all can hear those verbals though. Woo! Yeah, that's what's up, man. So Steve, why the F30? Why'd you build this F30 like this? Man,
the funny thing about it, man, I hated F30s, man. When I first seen them, I always thought like a duck in the front. So I was like, man, that's ugly. My previous car was an E90 LCI with the M54.
Okay.
And so after a while I had it, man, I kind of got tired of it, and I just wanted something different. I wanted that black sheep because everybody already knew the M54 was. So I was like, you know what? I like the way the M55 sound, and I was starting to like the F30s a little bit. So I was like, you know what? Let me holler at the F30.
Okay.
So I bought one, man, and I knew me buying the F30 coming from an M54, going to an M55, I'm gonna have to, as soon as I buy it, I was like, you know what? It's going straight to the shop to get everything done. So I made it full boat on it first. Still wasn't happy with it. Then I was like, you know what? Let me do a PS2. So I did PS2, and then started messing with the fueling and stuff. And now I'm completely happy with it, man. Like, it's comfortable. You know, it still has the power. It looks good, and it has the features, man. Like, I mean, that's it.
Okay. Okay, y'all heard it first, man. Powers, features. I mean, this thing is comfortable too. Even though he's got all the suspension work done to it, it hasn't taken away from the quality of the ride. So that's definitely lets you know it's a quality suspension. Okay, y'all heard it, y'all saw it. Alright, y'all, so now we're about to jump on the highway. Steve's gonna let me feel a little bit of it. He ain't gonna give me out the full beans, but he gonna let me feel the power of it a little bit.
Ready for this, James?
Yeah, I'm ready for it, man.
Alright, man.
Man, I mean, it probably ain't gonna feel no different than my car. You know what I mean?
Is that right?
Man, that's what I'm thinking. What y'all think, man? Comment down below. What y'all think? Okay. It's a lot of popping going on. Snap, crackle, pop. You got popcorn back there, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, yo, that exhaust sounds good though. The exhaust, I hope y'all really hear this inside. You can hear it inside the car. I know y'all heard it outside the car, but inside the car, the exhaust sounds really, really good.
Yeah, it's not overpowering, man.
Nah.
Don't get scared, James.
Oh, ain't nobody scared. Ain't nobody scared. I've driven in lots of fast cars in my life. Man, y'all, man, come on, man. Somebody talk to this dude, man.
Now we know the one you had now, the F32.
It was alright.
Yeah, she was straight.
It was alright. It was alright.
She was straight. She wasn't bad.
Okay. It sounds good. It sounds good. And it pulls pretty good too, man. We gonna see. We gonna see. Alright, everyone, so you just saw the ride in Steve's car, man. The thing, hey, I ain't gonna lie, the thing is a beast, man. Thing is a beast. I think it feels a little bit more than 300 horsepower, just a little bit. But
you're right, 310. I told y'all that. I didn't lie. I said 310.
Man.
So you're right, a little bit more than 300.
Anyway, man, so we actually about to do a quick run real quick. So y'all comment down below, who y'all think gonna win? The M4 or Steve's full boat on stage 2 pure F30, man. So y'all comment down below, man, who y'all think gonna win, man. But yeah, man, so Steve, I appreciate you coming out, let me do this video.
Of course.
And we about to jump in these cars, do this little quick run, and I hope y'all enjoy this, man. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below. Steve's Instagram should be popping up right here, so y'all can go follow him on Instagram, man. But yeah, so we about to do this run, and we about to get up out of here. So that's it. Hold on, y'all. So the video's not over yet. Steve got something to say.
I got something to say to y'all. I got something to say to James, first of all. See, after we get done with this run, y'all gonna see a lot of dang on memes on my page, and a lot of memes in the bottom of this dang on comment section. For the simple fact, we gonna sit over there and make James the Jordan crime meme. That's what we gonna do.
Man.
After he catch this sauce, that's it, man. The Jordan crime meme coming up with his face in it.
All right, I had to give him his little 2 seconds of fame right there. He wanted to talk, so I was gonna let him talk.
I got to, man. I got to.
But now we about to get to it. So y'all go ahead and enjoy this footage, all right? Yeah. All right. I'm good.